Google has made a significant move by setting Passkeys as the default login option for personal accounts, a support option initially introduced in May but now presented as the primary choice. Utilizing the WebAuthn standard, Passkeys aim to replace traditional passwords, relying on local device authentication methods such as biometrics or PINs. Users logging into personal Google accounts will now receive prompts to create and use passkeys, with passwords retained in situations where passkeys are not yet supported. Passkeys offer a new means of accessing applications and websites, providing enhanced ease of use and security compared to passwords. Users can sign in with the same methods used to unlock their devices, like fingerprints, facial recognition, or screen lock pins. Passkeys also offer robust protection against online threats, such as phishing attacks, making them a more secure choice compared to methods like SMS one-time codes. One key aspect of the enhanced security with Passkeys is that each account has a unique key, guarding against the risks of large-scale password breaches. Moreover, Passkeys eliminate the need to remember complex passwords, simplifying the login process, especially for users already familiar with password managers like 1Password. Google's exploration of Passkeys has been ongoing for the past year, with passkey support introduced to personal Google accounts in May, albeit on an opt-in basis through a relatively obscure web page. However, with the latest development, all users with personal Google accounts will be encouraged to adopt Passkeys. Those who prefer not to use Passkeys can choose to deselect the "skip password when possible" option in their accounts. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support independent news.